And crucial leads in the investigations into the Pulwama terror attack. India today has now learned that the National Investigation Agency has made a crucial headway. They have been able to identify the vehicle that was used in the attack. It was a Maruti Suzuki Eco car, and India Today is the first channel to get you all details of the vehicle and the owner of the automobile. So it was a Maruti Suzuki Eco car that was used. Now, it was a motor mechanic who had sold that car, a motor mechanic from the South Kashmir area. His name, his details, all of that is now with the National Investigation Agency and with the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and security forces are also trying to nail down the entire overground worker network of the Jaish-e-Mohammed. And I quickly want to cut across to India Today's Shuja ul Haq Thakur, who joins us live from Srinagar with the latest on the story. Shuja, so the vehicle has been identified, the owner of the vehicle has been identified, and so has the mechanic who had apparently rigged that vehicle. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, that's right, Gaurav. The National Investigating Agency has found crucial leads in the case of the attack that took place on 14th of February in Pulwama. Now, what we know so far from the investigating agency is that the vehicle which was used for this car blast has been traced. The chase's number was found by the engineers of the Maruti who were flown in from outside by the National Investigating Agency. They found out that the last owner of this vehicle was Sajjad Ahmed Butt. He is believed to be a resident of South Kashmir in Anantnag district, and they've been carrying out raids at his house. We've been told that on 23rd of February, multiple raids were conducted at his residence, but he has been absconding. Now, another twist has happened in this case. Today, we've seen pictures of Sajjad Butt circulating on social media announcing that he has joined the Jaish-e-Mohammed organization, the same organization which has claimed responsibility for that blast. So all these things fit into the entire scheme of things. The investigating agency has revealed that it was a plan very meticulously hashed, and this vehicle was designed to carry out such an attack. We were also been told that Sajjad, though was still in studying and was in school,
okay,
but he had know-how of the kind of mechanic work that required to be carried out in this attack.
Keep tracking that story. Keep tracking that story. It's extremely, extremely important for the security forces to be able to nail down these overground workers of Pakistan-based terrorist organization Jaish-e-Mohammed. And what is a cause for serious concern is the level of radicalization of youngsters. That needs to be checked immediately. Shuja ul Haq for the moment. Many thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.